Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to test the control board on the Frigidaire refrigerator that's not cooling in the refrigerator section. Before we get started, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can get notified when we post new videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always remember to disconnect your fridge by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before testing or making a repair. To access the control board, take out the filter. At the back of the refrigerator at the top, you should see a 1/4-inch screw on the right side behind where the filter is located. Remove this screw, then drop the cover down. Next, remove the 1/4-inch screw under the cover at the back of where the filter would be. We need to remove the 3/4-inch screws under the control panel. These will be recessed into the panel. There will be 2 1/4-inch screws on the corner of the left side that are recessed in. Remove both of them. Once all the screws have been removed, you should be able to drop the control housing down so you can access the control board. You'll need to remove this clear plastic piece, which is called a light pipe. Then pull the front of the control housing to release the control board. We have the power on during disassembly, so you can see what we are doing, but you should have it unplugged when you do it yourself. Before we test the control board, we need to plug the fridge back in or switch the breaker back on. We will be checking live voltage, so remember to be very careful here. Always take extreme care when checking live voltage so you can protect yourself from electrical shock, which has the potential to cause serious injury. Please don't ever test live voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. In order to continue testing, we need to put the refrigerator into a forced defrost. To do this, you will need to push the light switch 5 times within 6 seconds to activate it. To test the control board, find the 12-pin connector on the back, then find the blue wire at pin 12 and the light blue wire at pin number 11. Set your multimeter to volts AC and test between pin 11 and pin 12 for 120 volts AC. With the defrost heater turned on, there should be 120 volts between pin 11 and pin 12 on the board. If you get 120 volts AC, that means that the control board is good and that there is a problem with the wiring. If you don't get 120 volts AC, then the control board is bad and needs to be replaced. To reassemble, first plug the control board back in. Then slide the control board back into place and lock it into the tabs. Then reinstall the light pipe. We need to put the control housing back on the ceiling and install the 3/4-inch screws that hold the housing in place. Then install the 2 1/4-inch screws in the side panel at the upper left-hand side. Install a single 1/4-inch screw behind the water filter. Now you can put the cover back over the tubing, and once you install the 1/4-inch screw that holds it in place, you're done. Don't forget to plug the fridge back in or flip your breaker back on. If your control board tested good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out why your Frigidaire refrigerator isn't cooling. We've got thousands of videos to help you with diagnosing and making repairs. If your control board tests bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can fix it yourself. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. And if you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.